Hi, I'm Slavik with iDrinkCoffee.com. Today I'm presenting the Profitec Pro 500 with Quicksteam. Now the Pro 500 with Quicksteam is just like the regular Pro 500, except of course it has the Quicksteam. And what that is the joystick style steam and hot water control. So they're instant on and instant off. They're the same ones that can be found in Profitec's sister company, ECM. As opposed to on the regular Pro 500, which has traditional style rotary valves that you turn on and off. The Quicksteam version of the Pro 500 is imported exclusively into Canada by iDrinkCoffee.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the features of this machine. I'll go over all of the features, and then I'm going to make a few different sets of drinks to demonstrate this machine in action. The Pro 500 has a 2-liter stainless steel boiler with heat exchanger, and it also uses a vibration pump. The cup tray is removable. You just pull it up by the rail, and this rail is removable, by the way. You can actually take it off if you want to make the machine a little bit shorter. And the water tank's back here. It has a large opening. It's easy to refill, and that's 2.8 liters. I'm going to put this back. Of course, the Pro 500, like most Profitec machines, has an E61 boiler. They have modified it slightly, and I just want to point out the aesthetic improvement, and that's up here. This is what we call the mushroom. It's actually what's inside there is the flow restrictor. Most machines have a 2-piece design, but Profitec has this 1-piece low-profile design, which gives the machine a more distinguished look. Here we have the portafilter. I'm using the double spout portafilter today, but it also includes the single spout portafilter inside the box. Down at the left here, we have the pressure gauges, the manometers. The one on the left measures the pressure inside the boiler. You can set that very easily on this machine by just increasing or decreasing the temperature inside the boiler using the PID, and I'll discuss the PID in just a moment. On the right-hand side, the manometer measures the extraction pressure, and again, I'll comment on that when we're brewing a shot because that's when it's most important. I mentioned before the joystick style knobs, and these are instant on and instant off, and I'll show you right here. You just press down or press up. It works in any position. A lot of people prefer these over traditional knobs because they're easy to use. On the other side, we have hot water, and that's the water comes directly from the boiler, good for Americanos or teas, and I'll demonstrate that in a few minutes when I'm making some drinks. The last features that I want to point out are actually hidden. They're behind the drip tray. So you remove the drip tray to expose the PID. Now the PID on a heat exchanger machine replaces the pressure stat. So it controls the temperature inside the boiler. It's not a direct control of the extraction temperature. There's a correlation, but you can see it's set at 124 degrees, and that's 124 degrees Celsius, which of course would be much, much too hot for coffee. That's because that's the temperature inside the boiler for the steam. Also, you'll notice in the frame, Profitec has this neat little cutout, and that's where you put your blind basket. And you store that there. It's a convenient storage spot so you don't lose it. And it's also very important, I'll take this time to say it's very important to backflush every espresso machine regularly. A clean machine makes better coffee. I'll go over the PID settings very quickly. In order to enter the PID menu or to change the settings, you press both the plus and minus buttons at the same time. And the first setting that we're going to see is T1, and that's the temperature setting. So I'll press both of these, and then I have T1, and here I can adjust my temperature inside the boiler. I can go up and down. I have it at 124. I'll raise it to 125, and what that will do, it will raise the pressure inside my boiler a little bit. You'll see this manometer increasing a little bit because the water is hotter. The next option is Eco Mode. So if I go into Eco Mode, I have it set at off. And you can set it in intervals of 30 minutes, from 30 minutes all the way up to 10 hours, 600 minutes. And what that means is if the machine is idle, if it's not used for that amount of time, it will turn off the heating element in order to preserve power. You can set it to any setting, like I said, between 30 minutes and 10 hours, or like I have on this machine, I have it off. You can also set it off. And the last setting inside the menu is just the, you toggle between Celsius or Fahrenheit. I have it set to Celsius. We live in Canada here, and I'm more used to Celsius. But if you're one of our friends in the South, certainly you can change it to Fahrenheit if that's what you prefer. So now I'm going to demonstrate the Pro 500 with Quicksteam by making a few different sets of drinks. But first, I just wanted to discuss cooling flushes. This is a heat exchanger machine, and I do recommend doing a cooling flush. I know there's a lot of debate about this. Some people say that you don't have to do a cooling flush on the Pro 500. I like to do it because the water that's inside that heat exchanging tube is too hot. And to me, it makes the coffee a little too bitter. So I do like to do a cooling flush prior to making my coffee. So to do that cooling flush, I'm just going to remove the portafilter, grab a separate cup, and just flush some water in there. As you can see, there's not a lot of steam, so the cooling flush is super short on the Pro 500. Alongside the Pro 500, I'm using the Eureka Specialita grinder. This is a very popular choice for machines of this type. It's a very quiet grinder, and it really produces a fantastic grind. And I'm using a Cafe Lat tamping stand and a Pullman Big Step tamper, which is really an awesome tamper, and begin my extraction. The Pro 500, even though it has a vibration pump, it's actually quite quiet. Vibration pumps are a little louder than rotary pumps, but this one is quite quiet for sure. Stop that right there. And I have two lovely shots of espresso. I'm actually going to give one of these a try. Just give it a little. That's quite lovely. That taste is really well known to me. I'm actually drinking our doTERRA Farm Sweet Collection, which is a coffee we've been roasting for 13 years, and it's one that... The second drink that I'm going to make is going to be a milk-based drink, a latte. And again, this is a heat exchanger machine, so we can do both functions concurrently. I already have my coffee ground and tamped inside there. I just purged a little bit of the steam. I'll place my cup, begin my extraction, and then over here I'm going to start frothing. And one thing that's really great about heat exchanger boilers or heat exchanger machines is they have awesome steaming power. For people who prefer milk-based drinks, heat exchangers are awesome. It turns the milk really nicely and capable, in the right hands, of course, of making a wonderful microfoam. I'll just stop right there. Of course, wipe the wand and just purge the milk. And then simply add our milk to the coffee. Creating a lovely latte, which I'm also going to give a taste to. Really nice. And the final drink that I'm going to make is an Americano. I like to do my Americanos water first. So I'll just fill that with water. That's the pump coming on and refilling the boiler, of course. The water that I took out will get refilled and put back into the boiler. But you can see that the clearance on the Pro 500 is quite high, so you can use a large cup like I am right here. And then I just add my espresso. And you can see the crema resting on top. It's really a beautiful presentation for an Americano doing it this way. There you go, a nice Americano that's ready to drink. The Profitec Pro 500 has long been one of the best sellers in the heat exchanger category, and for good reason. The machine is known for its reliability and for its ease of use. And this version with the Quicksteam is even easier to use because it adds that instant on and instant off ability for your steam and your hot water. Profitec is a well-known and respected brand that's based just outside of Heidelberg, Germany. And this machine, like most Profitecs, is manufactured in Germany. So you know the quality is fantastic. If you have any questions about the Pro 500 with Quicksteam or any one of our products, please feel free to reach out to idrinkcoffee.com. We're here to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this about espresso machines, about coffee grinders, coffee machines, everything to do with coffee. Thank you for watching and have a great day.